Hello everyone, it's me Javed Khan and you are watching Tech Only channel. So in this video we will discuss about a resume app. In this video I will show you that how we can generate a resume for us. There's a lot of features and there's a lot of templates available in this app, the app we are discussing. So we have to generate a resume for us within a minutes. So let's join us and see that what's the main features and the main templates and the functionality that we are discussing in this app and in this tutorial. So let's get started. So first of all we have to install the resume app in our Android phone. So the link is given in the description below, so you have to click on the link and install this app on your Android phone. So I'm just going to my Play Store, and here I will search the app. I will search on the app on my name. I'm Javed. This is my account. Here we can see that my resume dash best CV builder. I will click on this app and I will install this app on my Android phone. So just wait for a moment to install this app on my Android phone, and then I will show you the main features, the main functionality and the templates we have in this app. So just wait for a moment and then we will talk about more about this app. As you can see, the installation process is complete, and now I will click just on the open button. I have clicked it on the open button and the app will be opened. So let's see how this app works. So here we have three buttons, as you can see: build resume button and a share button and the help button. So we will talk about all these things one by one. So first of all we have to click on the build resume to generate a resume for us. So I will just click on the build resume button, and you can see all these are the different details. By default detail we have given in this app. You can change any of the detail as you want, so we will later on change all these things and generate again the resume. So now I'm just going to generate the resume for us. So I will just click on the PDF button, and here you can see we have a lot of different templates. You can generate whatever the template you want to generate, so you have to click on that template. So I will just generate the template number 6. So I will click on this template. The template is generated, but now I cannot use this template, or we cannot share this template with our friends, or we cannot download this template from this app. So first of all we have to unlock this template. So as you can see we have the lock button, so I will just press on this lock button. So how we can unlock this template? So we have to watch the rewarded video completely, then it will be unlocked for us, and we can use, we can download, we can share it with our friends. So how we can unlock it? So I will just press on this watch video to unlock button.
What would make
and
you buy
see
now? A great payment? Hundreds of ways to personalize? A limited time offer? Life is all about timing. Act now.
As you can see I have watched the video completely, and now I will close this video. So my template is now unlocked, and now I can use, I can share, I can download it, whatever you want. So I will just click on this open resume button, and you can see I have this app, this resume template I have downloaded, and from here I can open it on my app. I will just go back and I can edit this template. I will just click on the cancel. You can delete, you can share this template with your friends, whatever you want you can do it from here in this your app. So I have show you that how to unlock, and there's a lot of more options in this app. So I will just show you one by one. So you can change color from here. You can choose any of the color you want. Just press on OK, and you have changed this color. So I will again change the color. So I will just press on it and OK. I just change the color of my template, and then again you can download it by clicking the download button. So as you can see here, also we have more share button, lock button, unlock button, and there is a lot of more functionality. I just press on this and I fold all the buttons. And you can also share this template from here. Also, as you can see, you can send it using Gmail, WhatsApp, save to Google Drive, and there's a lot of more options. So I will just go back again, I will go back, and again I will go back. So from here you can change any of the detail given in this template. So I can change my name, I can change my education section, my experience, project, skills, and each and everything you want to change from here. So first of all, I want to change the name, so I will just remove this name and I will type my name, Javed Khan. And I will, you can also change all these different things, so I will not change the other things. You can change also the image, so I can also select this image, so I will press on this image and press OK. And you can add education detail, like I want to add the education detail, I will just press on this edit metric plus, I will just write it like metric plus, just for showment, and press this OK button. And you can also add another education by clicking on this plus button. I will just write like MS computer science, the institute from which I have done, so I will write this IM sciences, and passing year like 2018 I will just write. And I can type my marks, so I'm not going to type the marks, so I can also add more detail I want, so I will just add dummy details. So I have added the education, and you can also edit experience, whatever the experience you have you can edit. I have just edit this one, and you can also add more experience, like I am going to add experience by pressing this plus button. So you have to type the company detail, like title, date, and what the achievement you have done, or what the works you have done, so we can type here below. So I will just go back, and you can also add your projects from here by pressing plus button. You can also add the previous projects that we have here included in this app, so you can also edit this one. And also you can edit the skills, the default skills, default language, default interest, and default awarded, and all these different things you can also add and edit all these different details. So, and also we have another option that we can change all the headings, like education, experience, like I want to change this education from education to qualification. You can easily change this from here. I will press on this button, so you can change the objectives, about me section, education, experience, project, skills, and all these are the different heading details you can change from here. Like I want to change this education, I will change it to education plus. Okay, for just showment I have changed this one. And now I'm just going to generate a template that you just see that how it works and how it shows. See, you can see Javed Khan, I just changed it from tick only to Javed Khan. Okay, and here you can see I just add another education. As you can see, I'm sciences. Okay, and here I have add the education to education plus. I just changed the heading, as you can see here in this template. I also changed the experience, as you can see, from tick academy to tick AC. Okay, and all these different things you can easily change. Also you can see the image I have changed on the template as shows in the template. You can see Okay, all these different things you can easily change. Another thing we have, I just go back, and also we can just drag and drop all the education that you want to move up and down in the section. Like this one, I want to drag the MS education on the top and metric education on below. So I will just again generate a template, and that I want to show. As you can see in the template, the changes occurs. So all these are the different features of this Android app. So we have a lot of more interesting features in this app, so you can check all these different features and functionality from this help section, as you can see. And from the share section, you can share this app with your friends, your family members. So all these are the different section we have talked about, and the main functionality we have talked about of this app. So thank you for watching. So like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.